Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and lining a sheet. This stabilizes bake time so cookies finish evenly. While oven heats, combine 1/2 cup softened butter with 1/2 cup granulated sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar, cream until light. That traps air for lift. Once creamy, beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla for structure and flavor. Finally, reserve 1 cup Quaker Oats. Adding them later preserves texture and prevents gummy dough. Once the wet mixture is combined, whisk together 1 cup all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon salt so leavening disperses evenly. Make sure to fold the dry mix into the creamed butter-sugar mixture gently. Overmixing develops gluten and toughens cookies. Then stir in 1 cup Quaker Oats for chew and whole grain flavor. If you like, add 1/2 cup raisins or chocolate chips. These change moisture balance, so fold briefly to keep dough cohesive. You scoop about 1.5 tablespoons of dough per cookie and space them 2 inches apart so heat circulates and edges brown uniformly. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until edges are set but centers still soft. This yields chewy texture because carryover heat finishes them. Make sure to cool on the baking tray 5 minutes before transferring to a rack to prevent breakage. If cookies come out dense, reduce flour slightly or stir in 1 tablespoon of milk to loosen dough and improve spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.